Hey girl, hey, welcome back. It's AseaMae, and if you're new here, this is Look Good with Asia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some super cute ways that you can style your passion twist. Here on my channel, I create resourceful video series that help you look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. So be sure to tune back in next Monday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time because a Look Good video drops every single Monday. So I have quite a few hairstyles, and these are intended to spark your creativity with your passion twists or braids. These are super lightweight, so they are so easy to style. Let's get into our first hairstyle. We're doing a total of 10 styles today, and the first style is half up, half down. To make it more polished, after you've got your ponytail in, what I love to do is take one braid from the back and wrap it around in a circle till I reach about 4 inches left of hair. And then what I'm going to do is just use my finger to create a space to loop the hair inside, and that holds it in place. And then I love to wear the ponytails to the side of my head. Now, style number 2, we're just going to take down 2 little tendrils in the front to create a bang, and that's super cute. For style number 3, we're doing a bun. So we're going to twist half of the ponytail and then twist the other half of the ponytail. And you're going for a messy bun, so you want to allow some of the tendrils to fall. So I'm just wrapping it around loosely until it's secure. And again, if some of the tendrils fall, that is perfect. We want it to be a little bit messy. And I'm just twisting both twists around and then shaping the bun with my hands. And this is the finished look. So the next hairstyle is actually going to be a high ponytail. So for this hairstyle, you just gather your hair, put it all up towards the top. And then to make this more polished and finished, I'm going to actually take 4 strands of hair and just wrap them around. Now for this, you don't need to create a knot or a loop or anything. They will stay in place if you just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. And eventually, you'll run out of strands and it'll be secure. And that's that completed look. This is such a great classic look that everyone can rock really easily. And so the next hairstyle is actually going to be a bun. So you take that same high ponytail and you take the ends and braid them up. I have a total of 4 braids. We're going to start wrapping the first braid, and you want to tuck it underneath itself once you run out of hair. The second braid, you're going to wrap in the opposite direction, kind of play with it to see what looks the best. And then make sure that don't worry if it looks a little messy, because once we've got everything with the third braid, shape it with our hands. And it does hold whatever shape you make. So you can make it more rounded or more tall, like a top knot, whatever you choose. This is the shape I chose, and it is super cute. The next hairstyle, we are going to part the hair in the middle all the way to the back, and then we are going to begin to French braid. Now, if you don't know how to French braid, don't worry. You can also do a flat twist. But I prefer French braids because I want it to lay as flat as humanly possible. You get to the end of your hair, the end of your scalp, and then you're going to put a ponytail on. You want to repeat the same exact thing on the other side. And when you're braiding, you want to make sure that you're not pulling too tight, because we do want to keep our edges. Once you've got that done, you're going to add another ponytail, and then we're going to use 1 strand of hair to conceal the ponytail. I like to conceal the ponytail. I feel like it just looks more finished and more polished and better. I don't know. To my eyes, it looks better. So that's what I do for all of my ponytails. And you can add some accessories. So I added filigree tubes. I think that it definitely adds a nice touch. I wish I had gold, but I didn't. I only had silver, but whatever you have, definitely use it. You can also use like string or whatever you want to make it look cute. Style number 7 builds upon this style. We are going to actually twist the ends of the hair down and create some low buns. So after you've twisted the hair to the ends, you're going to fold it in half and take the ends of the hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And you just want to wrap it around until it's secure. The tighter that you can get it, the better. This hairstyle actually looks best if your hair is just one solid color. It looks a lot better, but with the blonde, it looks a little weird, but it's super cute with black hair or just all brown hair, you know, solid colored hair. Anyways, this is the way that the buns look. Style number 8, you can simply just braid those ends all the way down, creating 2 French braids. With this hairstyle, I definitely would recommend that if you do the French braids, you wear the French braids towards the front of your hair and not towards the back. It just looks better, especially with this being a more lightweight hair look. It's not super duper thick. So yeah, it just looks better if the braids are going towards the front of your head and not the back of your head. But that is not the style I'm going to do. We're going to keep it moving and we're going to wrap this up into a bun. Now, my biggest tip for you is to remember to remove the rubber bands when you start wrapping it into a bun. I forgot, okay? So I'm gonna have to remove them later. But as you can see, like, you're just wrapping it around and tucking it, and then wrap the second braid around, and then you're going to also tuck it underneath. And as you wrap it, you can create a tighter bun by slightly pulling the hair a little bit. So once you did that, you can shape your bun, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. Again, I'm going to show you guys the bun after I remove the rubber band. So this is before and this is after. It definitely looks better, but I did lose a little shape. So do it before you wrap your hair around. The final hairstyle is going to be a swooped bang. So you want to section off your bang, and then I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, half up ponytail, and I'm going to add some more hair back into it because this actually is too much bang. So if this happens to you, don't even worry about it. You can just squeeze it through the little bitty hole at the top. So once you've got your ponytail completely secure, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the bang and you're going to wrap it towards the back of your head and take one strand from the opposite side of your head, and using a rubber band, you're going to secure those 2 pieces together. What it's going to do is it's going to keep it nice and flat in the back, and honestly, you cannot even see it. So you want to just make sure that your hair is not all like crinkled up and stuff. That's what I'm doing. Smooth it out. And then as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys the back. You cannot see that, okay? It is definitely full enough to conceal the bang, but this hairstyle is super cute. It's my favorite way to wear this hair. So I hope this video inspired you to style your passion twist on the daily. I love these so much. It's such a convenience hairstyle. So if you want to know how to achieve this style, definitely check out last week's video. I did a full-length resourceful tutorial that you can reference when you're doing your hair. Also, make sure that you check out that video to see how to remove this hairstyle because the removal process is included as well. There's so many more hairstyles that you can do with these passion twists. I just wanted to spark your creativity with this video and give you some simple and easy things that you can do, but feel free to add your own twist. And if you give any of these hairstyles a try and post them, be sure to tag me on Instagram at AseaMae so I can see you rock your passion twist well, girl. Okay, so I will catch you guys the next week at 12 p.m. Monday for another Look Good video. Until then, you guys take care and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.